So today we'll be making 6-cheese baked macaroni and cheese. We have our pasta, our sharp cheddar cheese, our 4-cheese blend of Monterey Jack, mild cheddar, asadero, queso quesadilla. We have cream cheese. You can use butter or margarine. We have our evaporated milk, all-purpose flour, an egg, sazon, black pepper, and we also have sea salt. First, we're going to take a stick of butter and go ahead and melt that. Let that butter melt all the way, medium heat. We're going to go ahead and add our all-purpose flour, about a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Go ahead and slowly get that into your hot pot. Next, we're going to get a wooden spoon or rubber spatula and stir that flour and melted butter mixture. Stir it until it becomes a paste, somewhat like a thick paste, and they are equally absorbed into each other. Next, we are going to get our can of evaporated milk and slowly pour that in to the flour and butter mixture. We are making a roux. At this point, you want to turn the heat down so that it does not burn. We want to cook it slowly. Grab a whisk and go ahead and stir that. You want to continuously stir it until it gets thick. You'll notice that it will gradually thicken and it'll become more like a custard consistency. Once it's nice and thick, you'll want to start adding your cheeses. So we'll add our mix of cheeses, that 4 blend and our sharp cheddar. We'll also cut our cream cheese into cubes and go ahead and add that. We usually use about 1/2 pack of cream cheese. Once you get all your cheeses into that mixture, you're going to go ahead and give it a good stir. Make sure that the cheeses are completely melted and dissolved, and it will look like this. Next, we're going to grab our pasta. We boiled about 1 pound or so of pasta. We add it in slowly so that we can make sure we're not adding too much or too little. If you add too much, it'll make your macaroni and cheese dry. If you add too little, it will make it extremely cheesy. So we want just that perfect combination. Once we have enough pasta in there, we'll go ahead and add a pack of sazon, of Goya sazon seasoning. It gives it a really good flavor. It gives it a little color. Let's go ahead and add our black pepper. And it's not videoed, but at this time we also added our sea salt. About 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of sea salt. So let's go ahead and give that a stir again. Make sure all our seasonings and cheeses are well mixed. Add the mixture to an ungreased pan. And next we are going to top the mixture, the mac and cheese, with a mixture of cheese and breadcrumbs. So we mixed our breadcrumbs and our cheese together, 2 cups of cheese and about 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. And we make sure that the top is completely covered because that's what gives us that hard, cheesy crust. Bake it covered for 25 minutes at 350. Then go ahead and bake it uncovered for 5 minutes at 450. Enjoy.